Good morning children. How are you? Hope you are safe at home. Today I am here to teach you another topic of EVS. Last time I taught you the main body parts. You remember all the body parts? Okay, so today I am going to tell you how we use those body parts. Okay, what are they used for? So we'll start with our mouth. You know what is this? This is your mouth. I told you last time. What do we have in our mouth? We have lips, we have jaws, we have teeth. Show me your teeth. Have you brushed your teeth today? See, I have brushed my teeth. They are all white. Okay. Then we have our tongue. Show me your tongue again. Very good. Okay. So this mouth, this hole is known as your mouth, and this we use for many different things. Can you tell me for what we use our mouth? Guess. You must be knowing. Okay, I'll tell you. See, I have this. What is this? This is a toffee. I know you people love it. So, if we want to eat this toffee, how will we eat it? We will use our teeth, right? We will use our jaws, and all this come in our mouth. So, our mouth is used to eat things. Now, we are thirsty. What should we do? We should drink water, or we should drink your favorite cold drinks or juices, right? So, how we drink? We use our mouth to drink. Then, how am I speaking to you? How am I speaking? I am using my mouth to speak. So, our mouth is used for drinking, for eating, and for speaking. Okay. Next, we come to this. What is this? Tell me, what is this? These are your hands. We do a lot of things using our hands. Can you tell me what we do using our hands? I know you people know everything. You just tell me one thing, what we do using our hands. Tell. Okay, I'll tell you one thing. What I am doing, just tell me. I am holding a bottle. So, we hold things using our hands. What else we do? What else we do? How do you write in your copy? You hold your pencil to write in your copy. How do you paint? You color. In all those things, you use your hands. And one more thing we use our hands in. Let me show you. What is this? This is a door. All of you have doors in your house, right? Or wherever you go, you have to open the door. How you open the door? You hold this handle and you pull the door like this. What you do? Pull the door. So, we are using our hands to pull the doors. Now, we have to close this door. How will we close it? We just push the door. What we do? Push. So, what we do with our hands? We hold things, we write, we draw, we paint, and we pull the door and push the door with our hands. Next comes our legs. All of you touch your legs. Very good. What we do with our legs? See, I am standing on my legs. So, we stand using our legs. What else we do? See, I am taking a walk here. I am walking. You also walk. So, how do you walk? You use your legs. So, we use our legs for walking. Next, guess one more thing what we do with our legs. Guess. How do you play football? Everyone plays football or basketball or run and chase. How do you play that? You run in that. So, how do you run? You run using your legs. And in football, how do you kick a ball? How do you kick a ball? You kick a ball using your legs. See, I am showing you how to kick. I know you all know. See, you kick like this. So, you are using your leg. You run like this. So, you are using your legs. So, your legs are used for standing, for walking, for running, and for kicking. Okay, I hope you have understood the uses of the main body parts, and I hope you learn them well. Okay, bye bye, take care.